Hi everyone! Let's go for a run. I'm wearing my Reebok shoes. Yeah, running shoes. That's it. Let's go for a run. And so wearing my both Aloe running leggings. I don't know what they call with that. And my Aloe hat. So let's go. That is my sunscreen. Wait, let's get some sunscreen. SPF 50 from Watson. Yeah. Yeah. That's my sunscreen. My debut. Yeah. I like this kasi hindi siya yung hindi ko halata ang bumok. Ayan. So good yung fit niya. Ayan. So, this color. Okay naman, Watson. Bye! This is the Watson. Let's go now. This is the view. For the daytime. Ayan, it's so nice. Let's go tayo. And so windy. Wala. Nakapag-warm up na tayo. Yeah. So let's go right now. This is my view. So there. Sobrang pulakan na. It's so hot. I'm so red because the dog. I don't care. Anyway, so that's it. Nice weather. Yeah, the skies. Baka natin kaya ako dyan sa Central. Lalapit na eh. Lakarin ko. But it's getting dark. Parang uulan siya. So ligo tayo ng ulan. May galing-galing pa ng pambayan dito. So likod ng building. Likod ba o front? Ayan no. So ito. Here's the view. Tsaka mapupuntahan ko yan. So dito lang pala ito. Malapit lang pala siya sa amin. Dito. This is the Victoria Harbor and may playground and your view is here. So nandito pala siya sa gitna. But I don't know kung paano ako makakatawid dyan or babalik na lang ako. So that's it.